Hi everyone, it's Scott from That's English School. Welcome to 2-Minute English. Today we're going to talk about workation. It comes from two English words, work and vacation. How do we use it in a conversation? Well, basically, it's used the same as the word vacation. We can use it as a noun, a workation. We can also use it as a verb, to workation. It's often paired with the verb take, to take a workation. Also, maybe you could say to go on a workation. Here are three examples. I'm gonna take a workation. He is workationing in Hawaii. My boss told me to take a workation next week. So what's the difference between remote work and a workation? Basically nothing. You change the workplace from your office to a resort hotel or maybe a cabin in the woods. You enjoy the location when you've finished work. The main idea is that you take a vacation away from the office, but not from the actual work itself. Okay, so let's review. I'm gonna take a workation. He is workationing in Hawaii. My boss told me to take a workation next week. I personally want to keep my work and my vacation separate, but it's another option for us to consider these days. If you found this video to be useful, please subscribe to our channel. チャンネルを登録してくださいね。あとはいいね押してね。Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.